Hi, here we are again with my 50 watt 2-channel vacuum tube guitar amplifier. I forgot to mention before, for this video might be a little more interesting, that my distortion channel has two gain settings, low and high gain. I went into detail about this on my overview for this amp video. And the effects loop is parallel and serial, switchable. Right now we have it set on parallel. And of course my Rocktronic expression. And come down here, this is the feature of this video, my overdrive pedal. And this is based on a Ibanez TS-9 Tube Screamer. And a shout out to Johnny G for suggesting I build one of these. I've got this set up so that overdrive pedals themselves are generally considered to be mild effects as compared with like the fuzz tone, which has a very strong effect on a tone. Overdrive pedals are meant only to overdrive the amp or provide a little extra overdrive tone themselves. And that's exactly what this one does. I've got it set up right now. The output, the drive of the pedal is set all the way down, and I have the output level of the pedal set to just below overdriving the clean channel on the amp. Neck pickup, middle, bridge pickup. Okay, actually I heard a little bit of overdriving there on that last strum. There we go. Alright, so what's first here? Let's drive the amp, go back to the bridge pickup. Okay, here's our tone control. The TS-9s are known for their warm overdrive tone, and that's where this comes from. This is a version of a single knob tone control. It basically just rolls the highs off, and as it does, the lows naturally become more predominant in the tone. Okay, so let's overdrive the clean channel on this amp. You should hear it overdriving there now. Take the edge off of some of those highs. Okay, now let's take it up as far as it'll go and see what happens. It has nice touch sensitivity because this is overdriving the amp. Okay, so let's back off output level. Bring up the drive of the pedal. I'm bringing up the treble just a bit. The natural drive of the pedal requires to adjust the treble to bring it back to equal the tone of the amp, naturally overdriven. Now I hope you notice that the tone now of the overdrive that the pedal is producing is almost exactly the same as what was the tone of the amp with the drive in the pedal all the way down and just the output level up, which is the sound of just overdriving a channel of the amp. You get a little less overdrive tone this way, which is to say the output level is capable of naturally driving the amp into a more overdrive than the pedal itself will create inside it. But the tone of what it does create is very close to the natural overdrive of the amp. Now if we bring up the output level a bit, alrighty, let's see, migrate to the high distortion channel. Let's see, run the same series here now. The pedal drive is all the way down and the output, we'll bring the output up. The drive on the high gain channel is all the way up. Okay, bridge pickup, volume and guitar is all the way up. Quite a bit of drive there. I'll bring this all the way up. Very nice crunchy crunch. Let's bring some the clipping up. Now I get some, unfortunately I get some oscillation when I use this on the high gain channel. Because of all the the way it's set up, all the wires. I've got the output actually quite close to the input wires on this. Go for a warmer. Alright, so for the finale here, let's add in a bit of digital delay. Gain all the way down, drive all the way up, seem to get a... So the pedal works very well to drive a high gain channel into crunchy crunch land. I believe that is all I have to show you.